This is Ichi pose, also called Sukhasana. Sit comfortably on the floor. Close your leg gently. Keep your back stretched. Relax your shoulders. Place your hands on your kidney. Close your eyes and breathe slowly. Stay calm and relaxed. Slowly come into a Sukhanta position. Join your palms at the center of your chest. Keep your spine stretched and breathe slowly. This is improves flexibility of hips and ankles. Open your legs wide while sitting on the floor. Keep your back stretched and hands on floor. Feel a gentle stretch in your legs and hips. Breathe cleanly. Lay down on your back and rest your leg upward. Keep your arms relaxed beside your body. This pose helps relax the legs and calm the nervous system. Lay on your stomach and bend your knees. Hold your ankles and gently lift your chest. Keep breathing normally. This pose strengthens the back and core. Stand, stretch, and slowly bend forward. Let your head and arms relax downward. Feel the stretch in legs and spine. This is varial to pose. Stand, stretch, and take one step back. Bend your front kidney. Keep your back leg stretched. Stretch your arms to the sides. Look over your front hand. Keep your body strong and steady. Breathe slowly. Sit in a comfortable meditation position. Close your eyes gently. Focus on your breathing and relax your mind. Kneel on the floor and gently bend backward. Place your hands on your heels or lower back. Open your chest and look forward. Do not force your body. This is tree pose. Stand, stretch. Place one foot on the inner thing of the other leg. Keep your balance. Bring your hands together in front of your chest. Look at one point the front of you. Breathe slowly and stay steady. Thank you for practicing yoga with us. If you enjoyed this beginners yoga section, please like, share and subscribe to your channel. See you in the next video.